Ronke Bodamisi, popularly known as Doctor Big Bronx, is a Nigerian thick curvy manufacturer, businesswoman, plus-size fashion model, and founder of Bae Bronx. She owns the Bae Bronx clothing factory and is a fashion and lifestyle creator based in Lagos. Born on September 19 in Nigeria, her zodiac sign is Virgo. The plump entrepreneur lives in the Lekki area of Lagos, Nigeria. Dr. Big Bronx is a top plus-size model in the fashion industry. She is also a fitness trainer and has established the Bae Bronx weight loss class. She has promoted numerous brands, including Jenny's Glow, Fashion Nova, Val's Now Gallery, The Shoe Collector, and several others. Dr. Big Bronx stands at approximately 5 feet 9 inches tall, 175 centimeters, and weighs over 70 kilograms. Her hip size is about 52 inches, and she has a curvy BBW body type. She has dark hair and brown eyes. Her marital status is unknown, and she is Nigerian. More information can be found on her Instagram page at Bae Bronx. She graduated from Ahmadu Bello University, Zaria, in October 2017 with a bachelor's degree in polymer and textile engineering. She completed her National Youth Service in June 2019. In March 2024, Prowse University Delaware awarded her a doctorate degree. On her Instagram page, she expressed her gratitude. "I feel so honored and blessed.